What's the trend for Microsoft, gold miners, and Exxon Mobil? If that's what you're looking for, then keep on watching. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's school together to protect and grow our money. On December 30th, I made a prediction that Microsoft would be trending lower with some overhead resistance here. And let's take a look at where we are today, January 3rd. The overhead resistance remains. You could see that from a price action standpoint, yesterday's price came down and tested this trend line, held. Today they gapped it down, and then it closed up right at this 30.70.71, okay, at this price point. The thesis remains the same, lower prices. It'll probably test this trend line next. Once it fails, it'll come down to this price point of 359. The momentum remains on the downside. That's Microsoft. Switching to gold miners, this is GDX. December 30th, I talked about this resistance zone here at 31.56 and at this blue trend line resistance. Switching to today, you can see that price continued to fail. My preferred entry point for GDX on a long will be down here at 25.75. This 25 zone, that's really what it is. Let's see how it does over the next couple of weeks. This line right here will provide some support, so it'll bounce. But we'll have to see. It'll bounce and it will test this trend line as well. So you can see this blue one here, this one here. It's almost like a ascending triangle, right? It goes like this. Ascending triangle looks like that. And it's a type of flag pattern. So I see that price will, if it breaks down underneath here, maybe in this confluence zone, then we'll have a nice juicy entry down here for a long. That's GDX. Switching to Exxon Mobil, on 30 December, I talked about this flag pattern here, and you can see that it was starting to play out. And then switching to today, we can also see a reversal with some bullish movement there and a little bit of volume, not a significant amount of volume. So I'm not convinced this bullish move will continue. We'll have to monitor it. I'm remaining on the downside thesis for ExxonMobil. As always, my videos are for educational purposes only. It is definitely not investment advice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to it, inform your friends, hit the bell icon, all that jazz. And as always, good luck with your trades.